Good morning everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about activity diagram and the case tools. Okay, so in the previous diagrams we have seen about collaboration diagram, sequence diagram, class diagram, and now we are going to talk about activity diagram. In this activity diagram, it describes how the activities are coordinated basically, and then it is particularly useful when you know that an operation has to achieve a number of different things, and you want to model what the essential dependency between them are, and before you decide in what order to use them. So this is the basic definition for the activity diagram, and also as you can see, this is called the swim line, and here these are called the activities. Okay, and this is the starting point, and in the end we have the ending point here. And there are two more main things called splitter, and as well as this is called the sync part. Okay, this is called the sync part because it syncs two processes and combines it into a single process. And one more thing is there, that is called a splitter. As you can see here, this is called the splitting bar. Okay, the splitting bar splits a single activity it splits the single transition into two activities. Okay, and this is for this activity diagram I have used the ATM and bank scenario. Okay, so as you can see, these are two swim lines. This swim line is for ATM and this swim line is for bank. Okay, actually this swim lines are used to differentiate the two different states. Okay, as you can see, this ATM is a one state and this bank is another state. So I have used this swim line to differentiate this ATM and the bank. Okay, now from the start it goes to inserting card, and after insertion of the card the pin has to be entered. If the pin is authorized, okay, there are two possibilities. One is the pin is valid and another is invalid. If the pin is invalid, it has to eject the card. Okay, so it has to directly go to the state where the ejection of the card is done. Okay, and if the card is valid, it has to go to the another process that which is used to get the amount from the user, and if the amount is available in the database, okay, or if the amount is available in the account, in the concerned person's account, then the amount has to be debited. Okay, if the amount is not in the account, then it has to display some messages that such as the amount is not there, or insufficient balance. So like this, then it has to eject the card out. Okay, so this is these are the upcoming process that we are going to see. Okay, so after the amount is entered, it will check the balance. If the amount is there, it will debit the account. It will debit the amount. Okay, if the amount is not there, it will directly go to the show balance state and it will eject the card. Okay, now after this, from the debit amount, if the balance is there, or else if the wanted or if the needed amount is there in the concerned person's account, then it has to go to the state where there are two options, that is take money from the where there are two processes that has to be carried out. One is taking the money from the slot and another one is taking the receipt. Then after these two processes are carried out, then it has to show balance and it has to eject the card. As you can see, the difference between the other diagrams and this diagram, that is the activity diagram, is more easier and simpler, and it is too easy to represent the process that has been carried out while doing the process like taking the amount from the ATM, and here you can see the transaction that is happening between, or the state transition that is happening between the ATM and the bank clearly. So that's all about activity diagram. Thank you, friends.